Welcome to our channel One Step, where we post tutorial videos. Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can send pictures in Gmail. Now if you want to send pictures in Gmail, you need to download this app called Drive. Now Drive is an online storage app of Google which you guys can use to upload photos on Google and share it via Gmail. You cannot send photo directly with your Gmail, you need to have Drive. So you can easily install Drive on your App Store or like your Play Store. So you can see this called Drive. You can just search for it. You will see this logo and download it. Now once you download Drive, just open Drive first. Now once you open Drive first, you need to upload your picture over here. So in order to upload your picture in Drive, what you want to do is go on versus files. Now once you're in file, at the bottom right corner, click on the plus icon. Once you click on the plus icon, click on versus upload. Once you click on upload, click on versus photos and videos. Once you click on photos and videos, you can select the picture which you want to upload in Gmail. So I will choose this one where it says recent. That's the picture I want to upload on my Gmail. So as you guys can see, I selected two of my photos and it's being uploaded over here. Now let's wait for some time until it's uploaded. Now once the pictures are uploaded, it's going to show me right below over here. So image3355.heic. That's the picture. So let's say I want to share this picture via Gmail. What I can do is right beside the picture, you can see the three dot. You want to click on the three dot and then you can see the second option called share. Once you click on share, over here you can enter the Gmail of the person to whom you want to send it to. So let's say I want to send it to this person over here. So I have wrote the email of the person to whom I want to send this picture to. So I will just click on this arrow at the bottom right, and then it's going to be sent to that person via Gmail. So that's how you guys can send pictures using Gmail. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel One Step. I will see you guys next time.